To get started with Blog Wizard, go to the Blog Wizard from the dashboard. Input the product name, description, keywords, and blog tone, then click Produce Title. The recommended unique titles for the blog you want to establish will be generated. You can select a title and then click Next. The next part is the introduction. The blog's introduction has been generated. After you've decided on the blog's introduction, click Next. The blog outline will be generated. You can produce content for all outlines or select the outline for which you wish to generate content. Finally, click Next to generate the blog's conclusion. You can see that the entire blog was generated in less than a minute. You can save it as a PDF or a Word document. You may also save it as a project, a document, or move it to Google Docs.